Copy and paste cell content. 1. Select the cells you wish to copy. 2. Click the copy command. The border of the selected cells will change appearance. 3. Select the cells or cells where you want to paste the content. 4. Click the paste command. The copied content will be entered into the highlighted cells. To cut and paste cell content. 1. Select the cells you wish to cut. 2. Click the cut command. The border of the selected cells will change appearance. 3. Select the cells where you want to paste the content. 4. Click the paste command. The cut content will be removed from the original cells and entered into the highlighted cells. To access more paste options. There are more paste options that you can access from the drop-down menu on the paste command. These options may be convenient to advanced users who are working with cells that contain formulas or formatting. To access formatting commands by right-clicking. 1. Select the cells you want to format. 2. Right-click on the selected cells. A dialog box will appear where you can easily access many commands that are on the ribbon. To drag and drop cells. 1. Select the cells that you wish to move. 2. Position your mouse on one of the outside edges of the selected cells. The mouse changes from a white cross to a black cross with 4 arrows. 3. Click and drag the cells to the new location. 4. Release your mouse and the cells will be dropped there. To use the fill handle to fill cells. 1. Select the cell or cells containing the content you want to use. You can fill cell content either vertically or horizontally. 2. Position your mouse over the fill handle so that the white cross becomes a black cross. 3. Click and drag the fill handle until all the cells you want to fill are highlighted. 4. Release the mouse and your cells will be filled. Modifying columns, rows, and cells. When you open a new blank workbook, the cells are set to a default size. You do have the ability to modify cells and to insert and delete columns, rows, and cells as needed. In this lesson, you will learn how to change the row height and column width, insert and delete rows and columns, wrap text in a cell, and merge cells. Working with columns, rows, and cells. By default, every row and column of a new workbook is always set to the same height and width. Microsoft Excel 2010 allows you to modify column width and row height in a variety of different ways. To modify column width. 1. Position your mouse over the column line in the column heading so that the white cross becomes a double arrow. 2. Click and drag the column to the right to increase the column width or to the left to decrease the column width. 3. Release the mouse. The column width will be changed in your spreadsheet. To set column width with a specific measurement. 1. Select the columns you want to modify. 2. Click the Format command on the Home tab. The Format drop-down menu appears. 3. Select column width. 4. The column width dialog box appears. Enter a specific measurement. 5. Click OK. The width of each selected column will be changed in your worksheet. Select Auto Fit Column Width from the Format drop-down menu, and Microsoft Excel 2010 will automatically adjust each selected column so that all the text will fit. Modify the row height. 1. Position the cursor over the row line so that the white cross becomes a double arrow. 2. Click and drag the row downward to increase the row height or upward to decrease the row height. 3. Release the mouse. The height of each selected row will be changed in your worksheet. To set row height with a specific measurement. 1. Select the rows you want to modify. 2. Click the Format command on the Home tab. The Format drop-down menu appears. 3. Select the row height. 4. The row height dialog box appears. Enter a specific measurement. 5. Click OK. The selected row heights will be changed in your spreadsheet. Select Auto Fit Row Height from the Format drop-down menu, and Microsoft Excel 2010 will automatically adjust each selected row so that all the text will fit. Insert rows. 1. Select the row below where you want the new row to appear. 2. Click the Insert command on the Home tab. 3. The new row appears in your worksheet. When inserting new rows, columns, or cells, you will see the Insert Options button by the inserted cells. This button allows you to choose how Microsoft Excel 2010 formats them. By default, Microsoft Excel 2010 formats inserted rows with the same formatting as the cells in the row above them. To access more options, hover your mouse over the Insert Options button and click on the drop-down arrow that appears. To insert columns. 1. Select the column to the right of where you want the new column to appear. For example, if you want to insert a column between A and B, select column B. 2. Click the Insert command on the Home tab. 3. The new column appears in your worksheet. By default, Microsoft Excel 2010 formats inserted columns with the same formatting as the column to the left of them. To access more options, hover your mouse over the Insert Options button and click on the drop-down arrow that appears. When inserting rows and columns, make sure you select the row or column by clicking on its heading, so that all the cells in that row or column are selected. If you select just a cell in the row or column, then only a new cell will be inserted. To delete rows. 1. Select the rows you want to delete. 2. Click the Delete command on the Home tab. 3. The rows are deleted from your worksheet. To delete columns. 1. Select the columns you want to delete. 2. Click the Delete command on the Home tab. 3. The columns are deleted from your worksheet. Text and merging cells. If a cell contains more text than can be displayed, you can choose to wrap the text within the cell or merge the cell with empty adjoining cells. Wrap text to make it display on multiple lines of the cell. Merge cells to combine adjoining cells into one larger cell. To wrap text. 1. Select the cells with text you want to wrap. Select the Wrap Text command on the Home tab. 3. The text in the selected cells will be wrapped in your worksheet. If you change your mind, re-click the Wrap Text command to unwrap the text. To merge cells using Merge and Center command. 1. Select the cells you want to merge together. 2. Select the Merge and Center command on the Home tab. 3. The selected cells will be merged and the text will be centered. If you change your mind, re-click the Merge and Center command to unmerge the cells. To access more merge options, click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center command on the Home tab. The Merge drop-down menu appears. Merge and Center. Merge selected cells into one cell and centers the text. Merge across. Merges each row of selected cells into larger cells. This command is useful if you're merging content across multiple rows of cells and do not want to create one large cell. Merge cells. Merges selected cells into one cell. Unmerge cells. Unmerges the selected cells.